Hello, my name is Wesley Eccles. I'm the automation specialist here at New Mexico MEP. What we're doing here is we're really setting up demos for manufacturers in New Mexico as a way to learn about automation, play with some of the equipment that we have here, as well as just get a better understanding and a direction if you're interested in adding automation to your assembly lines or adding augmented reality trainings. We're creating a place where manufacturers can come and really understand whether automation is something that can be implemented into their facilities. We have our AR, VR demonstrations. These are just multiple different types of augmented reality or virtual reality glasses and goggles. I can kind of demo how silly they look, but basically what these are being utilized for are digital work instructions. So especially with the HoloLens, we can add work instructions that will actually point in real world space to the locations of the parts that you need to interact with. So say you're changing the oil on your CNC, you can see the machine and actually have arrows that direct you to the exact locations in three-dimensional space to how to do those processes. So these are really powerful tools. We're working on setting up demos, so if you come in, you can get a demo of how these tools work as a way to see if it's something that maybe you'd be interested in adding in your facilities. So right now I have the HoloLens on. This is an augmented reality headset. What I can see in this headset is I can actually see an entire computer screen right in front of me. I can use my pincher fingers to interact with it. If I hold up my palm and press there, I now have a whole menu screen that popped up. My emails are also popping up in front. Gotta close out of that. And what's really nice about something like the augmented reality as opposed to virtual reality is I can actually see through this heads-up display, so it really looks like a hologram in front of me, as opposed to not being able to see my environment. I can actually see the robot arm, I can see everything, and I can interact with it. So I can place pointer arrows to that specific location on the robot arm, and now there's an arrow pointing at that spot, which if then someone else can put these goggles on and it shows you a step-by-step guide of exactly how to do something. So it looks a little funny, but it is pretty cool to demonstrate. And if you're ever wanting to come check it out, we're always available at New Mexico MEP to come just see how these tools work and see if it is something that you'd like to add to your facilities. So while it might look silly, tools like this also are very fun to interact with and just learn what their capabilities are. This is a really new technology and is only getting better and better every day. So every year there's new models, there's new devices that are coming out that are just making this process more and more efficient. And in the future, most likely, we're all going to look very silly with our goggles on. But we can be way more effective in training new people in companies and getting projects done faster, more efficiently, and more reliably.